Hello everyone, I hope you all had a weekend. This week on the Design and Travel Guide, the focus is on Alpine Chic. Not just because we flew back to Switzerland last week, we had a really great flight with Swiss, a very charming captain who was apologizing for the not punctual landing in Zurich. We actually arrived 15 minutes early. Now, I don't get paid to say this, but it is something rather rare that Swiss is on time. Okay, another story. So, we'll be going to Austria tomorrow and we'll be checking out some nice new places for you. So it's all the Alpine Chic, and the design guides or the style guides will be online on Wednesday. And of course, appropriate to the Alpine Chic, I'll be giving you a recipe on Friday that is something very traditional for the mountains. So that's what you can expect. And then I read something very interesting this weekend. Did you know you can dye clothes from onion skins? So I thought, preparing for Paris soon, I'll be doing a French onion soup, and instead of throwing the skins away, I'll try to dye my white t-shirt in a nice rusty brown colour. So I'll let you know how I got on, and if it's any good, I'll tell you how to do it. So I hope you have a great week, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to designandtravel.guide or follow me on my Instagram page. So have a good time, see you around, bye!